Hello everyone, today we're going to try to actually restore the paint on this Honda Civic. The paint is really faded here, clear coat has come away and a bit of oxidation here as well. Instead of respraying the whole bonnet, we'll try to take a shortcut and see what sort of result we get. I've already got everything I needed here, I'll just show you. So obviously, first we need some water to clean it up before you apply any buffing compound or any cutting compound. You have to make sure that the bonnet and the paint surface is actually free of any dust. I've got some sponge here, then I've got some ducting tape. I'll put it around the edges here, the surface that I don't want the compound to get in contact with. I've got some cutting compounds here. I've got a electric buffer. I've got some chamois to dry it up. I've got some microfiber cloth, and once I'm done, I've got some wax to put on as well. Let's get started and see how good it goes. First, we're gonna give this bonnet a quick clean. You can see it's like looking brighter, but what happens is once the water dries out, it'll look dull again. Cleaned up the bonnet, and now I am actually drying it off with a chamois as well. You don't really need to use a chamois, you can use just a normal cloth, but I just don't want, so I'm using it. Make sure there's nothing in here. Dry it off, and I put masking tape. As I've told you earlier, it has dried off and it looks faded again. Alright, I'm gonna start putting some of the compound, do area by area, small area. So basically I'll try to first do probably this section here. Another thing I'm letting you know, I'll try to be careful to do this section because whenever there is an edge, you can't really evenly buff it up with the electric buffer properly. So those sort of edge, I will do it all together in a one go. Alright, I'll start buffing up. And I've already applied a few sections here. And this section is already almost done as well. Good. As I mentioned, I will be doing special care when I do this corner here. So we'll keep on doing it. We'll do one or two passes first and see if you're happy with the result. Then, if not, then we'll apply a few more. I'll do a few more passes. All right, we have done a few passes. It came out good, but you can't really see it now. As you can see, it's really smudgy. But with run your finger, you see, it's shiny red. How good is that? So basically, I'm gonna take this microfiber cloth, and I'm just gonna remove all this paint. Well, I've got most of the compound off with the microfiber cloth. Now I am just drying it up with the chamois. It'll obviously gonna lose a bit of shining once it dries out, but I'm gonna do a bit of put some wax on and see what happens. Right, it's all dry now. I'm gonna put some waxing on. Change the pad as well, the polish pad in the buffer, and let's get started. I'm just finishing off with the waxing now. As you can see, it came out better. This section I've done, this section I still haven't done with the waxing. It's not the best job, but looks a lot better than before. Thanks for watching the video.